Hi, I'm Brian Johnson, owner of Innovative Tools. Today I want to show you a new product we just came out with. It's an innovative headliner bag. It's made out of a polyester material. It's got a big flap on the top with Velcro, so it's real easy to load and unload. We put a plastic sleeve in here so you can slip the job number in, vehicle identification, so if you have multiple headliners out, it's easy to identify. It has hooks all along the top and on the end, so you have the option. You can hang it horizontally, vertically, or if you want, you can just lean it up against the wall. The whole idea is you want to protect these headliners from dust and damage, and when you're not using it, it folds up really small so it doesn't take up much room. It's a great new product from Innovative Tools, the Innovative Headliner Bag.